Vlogger to, sakay ko. Kaya nga, vlogger yan, eh.
Vlogger ka daw.
Anong page sir?
Ha?
Ano po yung page nyo? Parang
BKN Eugene. Saan ba banda boss yung ano, yung sa Cathedral ba yun, yung parang may restaurant sa lahat? Taas?
Cathedral Cafe yun. Sa
Yun,
likod po yun, sir. Opo.
doon.
Wala po kayong sticker.
Hindi naman kami nagmumotor boss eh.
Ganun pag-vlogger ba? Ano?
Yung mga may sticker kasi madalas mga ano yan, moto vlogger.
Ako, like Idol Moto, di ba?
Oo, yan, yung mga...
Pero na nakikita kayo, nagbabanding din po kayo sa lang.
Hindi naman namin.
Low profile lang po yung dating.
Ha?
Low profile.
Oo, ganun lang kami. Profile lang tayo.
Al Cafe.
Saan, honey?
Saan ba?
Yeah, may malaking baso. Sa taas po yun, sir.
Malaking baso?
Opo, ito po.
Ah, ito.
Ayan.
Tapos, sa taas.
Angat po kayo sa taas.
Okay.
sige.
Saan dito? Saan ba entrance? Dito?
We went somewhere where it's all sira-sira.
Saan entrance ng La Cathedral dito? Dito pa.
Kapre, we went kasi to celebrate my... this. I will show you. Wait lang. Are you sure that's the cafe?
I think it's this. Matagal na namin gustong pumunta dito ni BK.
Oh. For two.
For two po.
Wait, honey. Okay.
Oh.
Hello. Pwede?
Yeah, table for two po.
Hi there.
Sige, doon na lang.
Dun sa dulo. Dito?
Dito na lang. Yan.
Dito? Dito?
Yan, dito na lang. Ito menu.
Ay, ikaw dito?
Bakit? Para saan ba?
Para sa bag ko.
Para sa bag mo ba yan?
Dito ka.
Order lang muna kami mga pre. Ano na lang ako?
Vanilla cafe latte, white
Mag-Americano na lang ako.
Parang I feel sometimes like whenever we go with Eugene to cafes, he always orders Americano. It feels like I'm, I don't know, with 40 years old, something like that.
Boy, yun yung pinaka-safe kasi Americano, di ka
Tatay. Mga pre, kasi we already finally got this. Oh my God, it was so much shredded blood, sweat, and tears was shredded. Wait, it's not shredded. What's that? There is a saying. I don't know. To get the gold card. Gold. I was first. This, what's that color for beginners?
Parang silver ata yung una.
Parang like light sky blue, silver like that. Then I got upgraded to.
Kasi yung una, probationary.
Yes, then
Tapos ito, permanent na.
And now I have gold. Gold. I'm important. I'm important.
Ito yung permanent ano nakalagay? Permanent resident. Yan.
Nakalagay?
Yeah, permanent
Saan?
resident na.
Permanent resident.
Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, permanent na talaga siya. Iba pa yung
It's not this, not citizenship, it's not
hindi
that.
pa citizen. Iba yung citizenship.
Long process in Philippines.
Tingin ko masyadong mahaba yung yung process. Iba yung paano lalakad yung citizen. Pero at least ito yung pinaka siguro pangalawa sa mataas na dito visa rin kasi permanent visa na eh. Tingin ko lang.
So this is like basically marriage visa.
Marriage visa. Yeah.
For 5 years. And imagine only 5 years I need to extend it after 5 years. No need every 2 months.
Every 5 years na lang siya mag-extend. And every 1 year kasi, ang kailangan mo na lang gawin is mag-report ka lang.
They also gave us rules. I'm a good citizen. I will read it.
Pag nag-Amerikano kasi ako mga friend, hindi ako nagsusugar din.
Thank you.
Creamer lang talaga ako.
I'm
Ayoko
telling
na
you.
may sugar.
It's really like old people, like talaga. But I know my mom like that.
Yung mama mo ata hindi talaga nag-creamer eh. Uy! Aray!
Are you okay?
No! Ba't ba parang kabayo ka kumilos? Nasaan na ba tayo? Oh, binabasa niya nga pala kanina yung ano.
This I nabasa. No, any rules I got, if ever, I can just ask again.
So yun nga, paano, ikwento mo na lang kasi.
So there is usually you need to say what's the process of all doing that.
Ang totoo
The process you need to say what to do that. But the thing is that I don't really know the process because I hired someone to do all of this so that I'm stress-free. Si Eugene.
wala talagang ginawa si Vika. So stress-free talaga siya. Lahat ng...
So I cannot really actually tell what is the steps. I can say a little bit, but I don't really know exactly what to do. Like, so don't ask me advice because I really don't know. Ask you, Chen.
Ako talaga yung naglakad sa kanya, and last year kasi syempre buntis pa siya noon.
But I'm with him. I'm just beside him. He's just walking. I'm just like, oh, interesting. Oh, are we soon? Are we soon? I don't know why. Because I was buntis siguro and I was so not into it.
Bakit kahit naman ngayon
Ano yun what? I don't know already. Hindi, I'm the one to go, to take it.
Oo,
Uy,
nireceive mo lang.
Pero ako yan.
Siyempre, hindi naman ako pwedeng mag-receive niyan dahil ikaw yan.
Pero ako, dinadala, documents ko, binigyan ko. Ako yan. The end part is me, that's the important.
Paano kami nag-apply nitong marriage visa from probationary to permanent? Kasi hindi kayo pwede kaagad magkaroon ng netong permanent. Kailangan dadaan muna kayo sa probationary. Okay. Is it 6? Is it Angelus?
4:30.
So ito mga pre, simpleng-simple lang yung gagawin nyo talaga. Suggest ko lang din sa inyo na wag na kayong pumunta sa mga agency na naglalakad kasi napakagastos. Kami dapat balak din sana namin ni Bika na na ipalakad na lang yung niya, yung papel niya para sa para mas mabilis ata. Pero may mga napanood din kaming vlog na sinasuggest din nila na wag na daw gawin yun kasi nga ang mahal. Parang nung nagtanong kami 35,000 ata pinakamura, 35, tas may nakausap pa kami ang sa kanila naman 60,000, di ba? 60,000 yung pagpapalakad. So dalawang beses mo ipapalakad pa yan kasi probationary una, permanent yung pangalawa. Kaya ang ginawa namin ni Bika, kami na lang. Kasi kapag ikaw lang yung naglakad, ang magagastos mo lang, pinakamahal na siguro yung 13,000. Kasi alam ko, 11,000 lang yung binabayad talaga dyan. Ang pinakakailangan nyo lang talaga mga bre, punta muna kayo sa immigration, kuha kayo ng checklist. Tapos pagkakuha nyo ng checklist, ilalagay sa inyo, sasabihin sa inyo doon kung ano yung kailangan nyo. At yung pinakakailangan nyo lang dyan, sa probationary, yung pinakauna is kailangan kasal kayo. Kailangan meron kayong yung mga basic, Senomar. Alam ko, yun yung mga basic Senomar, birth
Are you talking
certificate.
about how to get married?
Yeah, no, not to get married, but yung unang kailangan sa probationary kasi magkaiba yung requirements ng probationary saka yung permanent.
Ano kailangan?
Pinaka-basic nga, Senomar. Kailangan kasi may patunay na kinasal kayo.
Senomar. That's the most, I think that's what's needed.
Oh,
Senomar.
para malaman nilang kasal talaga kayo. Senomar, tas birth certificate, nyo atang dalawa, lalo na yung Pilipino na talagang dito pinanganak. And yun, yung mga ganong bagay. So mabilis naman yun, order na yun sa sa PSA lahat Saka yung number one din na pinakailangan nyo is NBI. So si Bika, yung foreigner, kailangan niyang kumuha ng NBI. 1 linggo lang naman yung NBI, makukuha mo na rin kaagad. After mo ng NBI, punta ka na kaagad sa immigration. Tapos pagpunta mo ng immigration, yung mga kailangan pa doon na may mga letter pa, parang kailangan mo ng abogado, ganyan. Sila na lahat magpo-provide noon, ituturo sa inyo kung saan may taong gagawa doon yon. So ito sila na magtuturo, kayo na lang magtatanong doon sa pinaka-information nila. Tapos sila na maghahatid sa inyo doon. Then after noon, kompleto na, ipapasa nyo na lang. Pagkapasa nyo, wait na lang kayo ng 1 to 2 months. Wait kayo 1 to 2 months kung ma-approve na yung visa nyo. Then pag na-approve na yung visa nyo,
That's how long we waited?
yeah. Bago pala, pagpasa nyo pala ng ng mga requirements, doon pa lang pala kayo magbabayad ng 10,000 to 12,000. Then after nun, yun nga, mag-aantay na kayo ng 1 to 2 months kung ma-approve yung visa nyo. Then pag na-approve na yung visa nyo, balik uli kayo doon, tanong nyo kung saang window kayo pupunta, and bibigyan kayo ng stub. Katulad yung kanina, bibigyan kayo ng stub para i-claim na yung yung panibago nyong I-card. Siguro after 3 days, 5 days, makiklaim nyo na yung probationary. So, edi may probationary na kayo. Yung probationary kasi, lang yan 1 year lang yan. Tapos, ang sasabihin nila sa inyo, bago mag-expire daw yung probationary, 3 months before expiration, kailangan nyo na mag-apply na ng permanent visa na. Yung permanent visa, same lang din, punta lang din kayo doon, tapos kuha kayo ng checklist, pinaka number 1 kailangan din is NBI clearance uli ng foreigner. Then after nun, lahat ng requirements doon nyo na makukuha, pwede nyo na ipalakad doon sa mismong immigration. Pag nakompleto nyo na yung requirements nyo doon, bigay nyo lang uli, bayaran nyo lang uli ng 10,000 to 11,000 doon sa mismong immigration. Then mag-antay uli kayo ng confirmation o approval ng visa nyo. Diba? Tapos nag-antay kami ni Bika ng 2 months bago na-approve yung visa niya.
Yeah.
Then pagbalik namin doon, binigyan na uli kami ng stub.
The yellow,
Tapos pagkabigay ng stub, 3 days, ito yung 3 days, nakuha na namin yung permanent visa. Ganun lang kadali, sobrang dali lang
You just,
talaga.
also, you can tanong-tanong there. We also tanong-tanong there.
Oo, yun lang. Sobrang bait kasi lahat nila doon na yung mga information doon yung sa pinakaunahan. Magtanong lang kayo, wag kayong mahiyang magtanong doon mga pre. Sobrang bait nila
They're so
talaga.
kind. They're really telling you what to do. So patient.
Suggest namin talaga sa inyo, wag na kayong mag-agency kasi napakamahal. Kaya sobrang
Unless you
matitipid.
are really don't know anything about this, like talaga.
Or kung busy talaga kayo.
Or busy, yeah. That's your choice anyway.
Pero sayang kasi di ba 60,000 tas 10,000 lang magagastos mo.
Yeah. I mean, like at least you know every step, no?
Mas maganda kasing alam nyo mga pre kasi every 5 years kailangan nyo uling kayo uli yung i-renew nyo uli yan. So same process pa
What?
rin. Same process din.
We will do the same?
Yeah, every 5 years. But what? Saglit lang naman yun eh. At least every 5 years, di
No,
ba?
wait, we will do not the step what we did for the purple card, but
No,
for
no, no,
the
no.
for
Pang-permanent lang para renew mo lang yung permanent.
Okay,
Yun lang yun. So, tas after nun, 5 years uli. Diba? Mas mura yun kaysa yung mag-extend ka ng yung tourist visa kasi si Bika nagsimula siya ng
parang-
tourist visa.
Yeah, imagine like every 2 months. At first it was on the pandemic, it was you can change it. It's every 6 months because it's pandemic, but then they put it back every 2 months.
Yun kasi pag tourist visa 6 months muna, tapos every 2 months yung extension mo. Tapos yung 2 months na yun parang 5,000 ata. So imagine every 2 months, 5,000 ka. Basta alam ko 5,000 or 7,000
Within
yung 2
a
months,
year,
2 months.
it's like
Malaki din, kayo na lang mag-compute. Bukod pa dun, pag tourist visa yung hawak mo, 3 years ka lang pwede mag-stay sa Philippines. Then after nun, kailangan mo mag-exit. Kaya si
I
Bika,
don't need to exit.
ngayon hindi mo na kailangan mag-exit. Kaya kami, nag-exit siya, di ba nung nag-Singapore kami, yun, exit kasi magti 3 years na siya nun eh. Ngayon hindi niya na kailangan mag-exit. Kahit na mag 3 years siya, no need exit na.
After 5 years.
Renew mo na lang. Hindi mo kailangan mag-exit, renew na lang.
Wow, finally. There's headache already on this extending visa. Imagine 5 years.
Sobrang
And
ito
I'm
eh.
cool. I have benefits already. Like,
What benefits?
like I can open something like account here, something like that. Because before they will be like,
Yeah.
they would be like, who are you? Like, what are you? I'm just a tourist. I'm just a tourist. No, we cannot do anything to you.
Masyado mo naman exaggerate hindi nila mag-gets eh. Kasi nag-open siya dati nagtatry siya ng mag-open ng bank account. Tourist lang yung hawak niya. So, bawal yung hindi nila pinapayagan yung tourist visa na mag-open ng bank
Yeah.
account.
No, siyempre, who will payag it? No. But now, if I will enter, I will be like, look what I have. And they will be like, ooh, sit down, sit down. No, because it's felt like I'm a tourist here. It felt like I don't, I belong, but then I don't belong here. But when it's like a permanent resident, you feel like a bit like at ease, like you belong here. Like, how to explain that? Like, I belong here. Like, I have rights to stay here, something like that.
Pero hindi talaga namin, alam niyo mga pre, kasi nung nagkakilala kami ni Bika, hindi namin alam na napakahirap saka napakagastos pala kapag may foreigner kang partner. Kasi hindi naman
Ano
natin...
sinasabi mo? Parang magastos.
Hindi, ibig kong sabihin, hindi naman, lalo na ako, di ba, nung nakilala kasi kita, estudyante lang din ako. So, hindi ko yun na-expect na yung mga legal part, di ba, na kailangan every 2 months extension, 5,000, 7,000, extend, tapos after 3 years, kailangan mo lumabas ng bansa, tapos process this, process that.
Every foreigner in other country with their partners that are from that country, it's always not easy. It's always hard with documents. It's always hard with paper. It's not easy.
Maybe we're just too young before,
And then of
nakakala
course
natin,
we are.
di
So
ba?
yeah, like the goodness, we thought like 6, 1, 2, 3, everything is like
Akala
that fast.
namin, lang, di ba, parang mahal lang namin isa't isa, tapos pakasal lang tayo, okay na tayo. So, marami palang legal na hindi ko talaga
Now we didn't
naasahan.
know. But of course now we know.
Pero at least, di ba, okay na.
So, mga pre, if you have tanong on us on about visa, regarding how to extend visa, you can chat. You can email us, or you can chat in our page, or you can sumali sa group chat. Sa
May GC kami para mas madali nyo kaming matanong kung ano yung mga kailangan, requirements, di ba? Para matulungan namin din kayo.
But I will refer you to my this, the one who lakad my this.
Para makatipid kayo mga pre kasi sobrang laki rin talaga ng matitipid nyo. Mutan ko sabihin sa inyo mga pre, after nyong ipasa yung mga requirements, after nyo magbayad, bibigyan kayo ng schedule
Sa interview.
para sa interview. Interview ng immigration officer doon. So interviewin lang kayo, simple interview lang, paano kayo nagkakilala, and ilang taon na kayo, ganun lang, yung simple interview lang na ganun. Yung immigration officer mismo mag-interview sa inyo. And after kayo ma-interview, doon pa lang pala kayo mag-aantay kung approve ba yung visa nyo. So yun pala yun. Nakalimutan kong mag-detail.
That's all for today's vlog mga pre. We just wanted to share our journey, how we got all this visa, all the hardship, blood, sweat, and tears that were shredded.
Sobrang nakakagaan lang talaga ng pakiramdam na tapos na yung,
Tapos na. Oh
tapos
my
na yung mga
God.
nilakad namin na may permanent visa na siya.
Yes.
Diba?
So yun lang mga pre. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
They're here. These upstairs.
Nasa taas?
One job took 3 people.
Really?
Yeah.
To feed her?
Because she was here, and then I had to like distract her and everything, and then I brought her upstairs after it was the one who assembled the chair, and then the one who got the food.
Ay, ba't hindi pa ba luto? Hindi pa luto?
No, I made
Luto na. Si Sobi.
Hi!
Oh.
Did you miss us? Dada? Mama? Mama? Hello? Mama? Thank you for taking care of the baby. Thank you, Kevin.
Kamusta ka, Sobi? Ha? O ano?
Mama. Sarap naman. Ito, Sobi. Sobi. Amam. Sobi. Love. Kiss.
How about me hug? Hug. Ha? Daddy? O, ikaw daw uli. Kiss daw uli. Kiss. Ako naman. Kiss uli. Kiss.
Yes, my babies. Yes.
Shoutout tayo muna ulit tayo mga pre.
Shout out to Remy Logera. Shout to Glenn Parr. Shout out to Elizabeth from Jerusalem. Shout out to Cristalan Sangual. Shout out Braveheart. Shout out to Emma de Guzman from Muscat. Shout out to Merceline Serita, Jen Simaye Sireta from Surigao City.
At shoutout din mga pre dun sa mga taga-immigration Manila. Ay,
Shout out to Ernie Galvadores. Shout out to Clarice Paterno. Shout out to Vanch Asirit. Shout out to Miguel Cantada. Shout out to
CRU staff. So sa
CRU
mga taga
staff.
CRU staff, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong niyo sa amin sa immigration. And sa lahat ng sumusuporta, maraming salamat din sa mga gustong ma-shoutout sa susunod nating vlog. Make sure lang na nakasubscribe kayo and share this vlog and pati yung mag-comment na rin kayo dyan sa baba. Dada. See you mga pre sa susunod nating vlog. Paalam! Bye-bye!